Hi guys, it's Mrs. Deane. We're gonna start something new this week. Every Monday or the first day of the week, Mrs. Jardina and Mr. Nesbitt and I are gonna give you a weekly outlook so you kind of have an idea of exactly what we're asking you to do. So for this week, you're gonna actually pick up 2 weeks worth of work. So you're going to pick up work for the week of the 6th through the 8th. Then we have Easter break, and then we come back the following Tuesday. So then you will have week 3's work up till the 17th. So we're gonna talk about week 2 for now, and then I will send out another video the following week after Easter and give you an overview of week 3. So for week 2, we do go into some new information. The first day is not going to be new, just a bit of a review. And then Tuesday we'll start our first new lesson. So if you picked up the paper packet, you're going to get a multiplication chart to use at home. I know that will come in handy for some of you. On Monday, your lesson is going to be on changing improper fractions to whole or mixed numbers. This is not new, this is review, but given what I saw last week, I think we need a little bit of review on this, because we always have to simplify our fractions. We always have to change improper to mixed if we have them. We cannot have an improper answer. So the first page is what we call a lesson page, so it walks you step for step on how to do these problems. Then for your work that day, on the back, you'll complete rows 1 and 4. As you can see, 5 through 8 are completely optional. They're a little bit of a challenge. If you want to try it out, go for it. You'll look at example 4. That will tell you how to do those problems. And then you can challenge yourself with 5 through 8. But again, the only ones required are 1 through 4. Then we go into Tuesday. This is where our new lesson starts. We're going to learn how to take a fraction and multiply it by a whole number. This is new, but guys, I promise you multiplying fractions and dividing fractions is much easier than adding and subtracting them. So here's your lesson page. If you have the paper packet again, it will walk you through step for step to how to solve these problems. And then for your work page, it is going to be lesson 7.3, practice and homework. You do not have to do number 12. You're only doing numbers 1 through 11 on this page. And then Wednesday is already the end of the week, so you have your weekly review. So it's just a little review on changing improper to mixed or whole numbers, as well as taking a whole number and multiplying it by a fraction. So if you get paper packets, again, if you can just send us pictures through Class Dojo or email, that would be greatly appreciated. It really cuts down on how many people are touching the paper packets and risking the transfer of the virus. So if it's at all possible, please send them through Dojo or email instead of dropping them off in the office. It's really preferred by everybody. If you are an online learner, you'll meet me every day at 11 o'clock for a Zoom meeting, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday this week. If you are a paper packet student, but you have access to someone's cell phone, if you don't have internet access at home, but if your cell phone has it, please try to get onto our Zoom meets every day at 11 o'clock this week so that you can hear my live lesson on this material. If you can't be on at 11 o'clock, whether you're paper or online learner, I will still post videos from Khan Academy usually. They will also walk you through the lessons. But it's gonna be real nice if you can get onto the live, because that way I can answer any questions, I can troubleshoot, I can help you through as much as possible. So that's it for this week, and then you'll have a video probably next Monday that will outline the following week's materials. Hope you guys had a great weekend, and I'll hear from you soon.